If you think the Bahamas is just beaches and resorts and cruise ships, then you're missing one of the best parts. I'm gonna show you a walking food tour that I did in downtown Nassau. This is a small group tour with less than 15 people, so you won't feel too crowded. That's a short walk from the cruise port downtown, so it's easy to get to. You will get some delicious food samples, but you'll also have a guide who will tell you about the food itself, the local culture, what daily living is like, and history of this area. Make sure you come hungry because at one of your stops, you're gonna get a whole plate of food. At this place, they give you conch fritters, steamed chicken, baked mac and cheese, peas and rice, and plantains. It's a whole meal just at that one stop. This is the conch shell, where all of these different conch items come from. It's the animal that lives inside of the shell. What I really loved about this tour is that this is food that locals really eat. It's not just for tourists. One of the interesting places that we got to go tour around is the Gray Cliff Estate. Now just look at this pool. But the food that we came to taste here is their chocolates, award-winning chocolates that were absolutely delicious. What tour would be complete without trying the Bahama Mama, made with dark rum, Nassau Royale liqueur, coconut rum, pineapple juice, orange juice, and grenadine syrup. So a few things to know if this tour is for you. You will walk about 1.3 miles on the tour, and it is not wheelchair accessible because there are some stairs to navigate. But you are taking breaks in between that walking to sit down and try food at various places. The tour is about 3 hours long, so you can fit this in and do some shopping or other things around the port if you're only here on a cruise day, or if you're staying here longer. Go earlier in your trip so that you get all the best local tips. I'll put a link to this tour in the description below so you can book the exact same thing, and definitely book in advance because these tours do sell out. If you'd like help with a custom trip, reach out. I'd love to help you plan your next vacation.